Solid waste management. First STEM done by CCC. Overview about Bihar. The topic is case study on Bihar about waste management, solid waste management. Bihar is a state in eastern India. It is the third largest state by population, the 12th largest by area, and the 14th largest by GDP in 2021. Bihar borders Uttar Pradesh to its west, Nepal to the north, in the northern part of West Bengal to the east, and Jharkhand to the south. The Bihar plain is split by the river Ganga, which flows from west to east. Bihar is located in the eastern region of India between latitude of 24 degree 20 seconds north and 27 degree 30 seconds north, and latitude of about 83 degrees and 88 degrees east. It is an entirely land located state in a subtropical region of temperature zone. Bihar lies between the humid West Bengal in the east and sub-humid Uttar Pradesh in the west, which provides it with a transitional position in respect of climate, economy, and culture. It is bounded by Nepal in the north and by Jharkhand in the south. Bihar plains is divided into um, unequal halves, North Bihar and South Bihar, by river Ganges, which flows through the middle from west to east Bengal. West to east, Bihar's land has average elevation above sea level of 103 feet. Bihar population, estimated population of Bihar in 2023 is 128500364. Estimated population of males in Bihar is 66997061. Estimated population of females in Bihar is 61 503302. Estimate establishment of solid waste management. Municipal waste management has become a worldwide ecological priority in the least 2 decades, attributed to the rising of capacity of waste production as consequences of development of a mass consumer society. This study is emphasized to preserve the cultures of high or low waste generation zones in the Patna Municipal Corporation (PCM) and evolution the geographical contribution of waste. World wide-wise municipal waste population and area data were collected from the Central Population Control Board and Government of Bihar's Urban Development and Housing Department. These respective statistics of waste features were estimated through the Microsoft Excel. Geographical information system features were established through Microsoft Excel. Geographical information system was one to investigate the geographical dependency of the waste types grouping at the micro level. Clusters analysis is performed to demarcate the geographical cluster of waste generated based on the gets got the statistics. Outcome of the research shows that the average rate per capita solid waste generated is 12.22 tons per day. For entire municipal corporation, result also showed a strong positive correlation between total waste generated and population number and merge relation with the area. The high waste generated clusters of ward are found in the east or found in the west of PCM, and low waste generated cluster is observed in the central part of PCM. But a source of solid waste. Patna, the capital city of Bihar, through boards of such cultural heritage, is unfortunately also known as the garbage city of the country. This paper is drawn from a study conducted to compare. To comprehend the current situation about waste production in Patna, we have focused on multiple solid waste, which is commercial as well as residential, and is generated in municipal notified areas. These studies illustrate the population growth, rapid urbanization, and a more sophisticated form of consumers that detach conventional practices are the major factors influencing waste generation in Patna. We also look at the cultural and lymphatic and investigative attitude of community towards the environment. It is our anti-capitation that renewed focus of the local municipal council attention by the provincial governance and committed by residents of for clean and healthy locality can stem the root and turns of the tide for good. Prevention training to reduce health hazards of solid waste in Patna, founded by Center for Energy and Environmental Indian Institute of Technology Patna. This locus of study was the New Patna Nation Pachil that covers the largest geographical spread and has relative relative offenses. It is also the millennium which has the most unplanned waste deposital. We situated this study within the border framework that locates the environmental change with the social change. It is certainly unnecessary and complementary to focus on production and consumption that have been central to sociologically emphasize on the waste as for gain indicates is urgently need as it is vital for understanding the relationship between social and environmental change. While the waste production is as old as human society, the nature of waste production has changed within the time. Earlier, waste materials were formed natural habitat or body parts of species. These waste were mostly biodegradable with in time. The waste generated in our society has become more complex. Now, waste production is guided more by materialistic need of people than substantial livelihood practices. Industrial revolution has led the spurt of production and consumption that has been the key factor influencing on exponential rise in waste. Categories of waste produced in Bihar. Food is the first category. It is the one of the most common item of consumption that is directly related to the waste production. Apart from what we eat, food involves various other aspects that acquire meaning and significance when examined from the perspective of waste generation. Personal care products, that sanitary items, a large production of MSW comprises personal care items such as cosmetics and deodorants, diapers, etc. Diapers and so on. There has been an increase in consumptions of these items where these items whose value and comforts are being reinforced through daily advertisements in every household. These items are very common. Real estate is another significant category in Patna these days, as methodology earlier and larger amount of MSW in Patna is also produced through constructions and demolitions. A tour of Patna illustrates that new buildings and shopping complexes include mall are being constructed in various places. Methods of SWM: efficient transportation, skilled labor, systematic waste. My suggestion about BR is just remove slums and control growth of slums. You can easily target many waste management productions in Bihar. Thank you. My name is Shishir C, roll number 28 of Section C, library number 23C.